What's all this mess? Where did these locusts come from? Are they just migrating from place to place, or is there any driving force? Let's hear it out from the locusts themselves.
Hello world, I am the head of the locust swarm that had been destroying crops in East Africa, Middle East and now in India. Before I narrate you people my journey from the Arabian desert to India and the acres of land that we ate in between, I would like to take a moment to thank all the humans for their help in creating conditions that made us survive, multiply into groups and feed on your food. Here's an interesting phenomenon taking place in Indian Ocean which made us invade your farms and destroy your crops. The Indian Ocean Dipole, or shortly called as the IOD. The IOD refers to the year-to-year changes of tropical sea temperatures in the western and the eastern Indian Ocean. The IOD varies between three phases: positive, neutral and negative. On an average, each phase occurs about 3 to 5 years. During the neutral phase, water from the Pacific flows towards islands of Indonesia, keeping the sea surface temperatures in the eastern Indian Ocean warm. Air rises here and falls in the western Indian Ocean, blowing westerly winds along equator. Temperatures are close to normal and IOD has little influence on the climate. During the negative phase, westerly winds intensify, allowing warmer waters to concentrate near Australia. These warmer waters evaporate and precipitate severely, causing severe rains in Australia. Positive phase has an opposite effect. Easterly winds form in this case, shifting warm waters towards Africa or the western Indian Ocean. This leads to heavy rainfall in the East African and the Middle East countries. Because of this phenomenon and a very much positive IOD in the year 2018-2019, the Arabian Peninsula, the landmass between East Africa and Asia, comprising most of the Middle East countries, was struck by several unusually severe cyclones. The first storm, Cyclone Mekunu, hit the Arab Peninsula and filled the empty Qatar Desert with freshwater lakes. This first cyclone led to the emergence of optimal breeding grounds for us. By the time the second cyclone hit that area, we started to multiply rapidly to almost 8,000 times the actual count. In the summer of 2019, we started migrating to the Horn of Africa, and luckily, the Horn of Africa was hit by 8 cyclones in 2019, the largest number in any year since 1976. This was also linked to the IOD. There are no one to stop us from the havoc that we are creating. After damaging hundreds of fields in East African and the Middle East countries, we migrated to India via Iran and Pakistan. India also attracted us with its heavy pre-monsoon rains, which is very unusual and one of the biggest cyclones in history, the Amphan cyclone. We are one among the most damage-causing pests, multiplying rapidly and can grow threefold in 3 months. We could potentially jeopardize India's food security at a time when millions are already vulnerable to hunger owing to the impacts of the COVID-19 induced lockdown. We have the potential to destroy the early Kharif crop and push India into a food scarcity situation that you haven't seen before, like the COVID-19. You humans are the reason for all the havoc which we are creating. If you people would have controlled global warming by reducing the emissions of greenhouse gases, by taking steps to fight climate change, the Indian Ocean wouldn't have heated up, leading to all the climatic conditions favoring us and thus pushing this world into food scarcity. You still have a chance to fight us amidst the COVID crisis. You have to do your part in reducing the global warming and climate change right from this moment. You can help your government in operating aerial sprayers to spray pesticides which can kill our swarm. If you people are still ignoring climate change, the second wave of locust plague is going to be 20 times worse than what's happening now. Thank you.